Hello, scholars. Welcome to our Unit 3 cumulative review. Cumulative review means it's a review of everything we have been working on this year in grammar. So, big picture, all the topics, all the parts of speech we've worked on, a little review of everything. So, if you don't yet have your marker board, marker, and an eraser, or a piece of paper and a pencil, pause right now, grab those things so you are ready to jump right into this review. Here we go. Starting out with a review of nouns. A noun names a blank, 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 or blank. Press pause while you're answering that. Ready to check it? Here we go. A noun names a person, place, thing, or idea. All right. Let's try this one about nouns. A noun that names a general person, place, thing, or idea is called a blank noun. And a noun that names a specific person, place, thing, or idea is called a blank noun. All right, I'm about to show the answers. If you need more time, press pause. A noun that names a general person, place, thing, or idea is called a common noun. And a noun that names a specific person, place, thing, or idea is called a proper noun. Well done. All right, one more question about nouns. A noun that names one is called a blank noun, and a noun that names two or more is called a blank noun. Press pause while you're thinking about it. The answer's on its way. All right, here we go. A noun that names one is called a singular noun. And a noun that names two or more is called a, oops, that should say plural noun. Oh my goodness. Plural. This should say plural. Sorry about that, everyone. All right, jumping ahead, we are now going to practice adding suffixes to verbs. It's been a while since we've done this, so let's try the first one together. To make clap into clapping, we're going to use the 1-1-1 rule. Remember, a one syllable word that ends in one vowel, saying its first sound, and one consonant, we're going to double the consonant to add the vowel suffix. That is called the 1-1-1 rule. How about to make copy into copied? Can you think about how that's going to look? Try it. Then let's check. All right, if you didn't pause, it must mean you're ready to check. Copy to copied looks like this. And what rule did we use? Look back here at the root word. Right? This Y is now an I. The Y to I rule. You got it. All right, let's try the third one. Give into giving. So press pause and think for a moment. How are you going to spell giving, and what rule did you use? All right, I'm ready to check. Are you ready to check? To make give into giving, it's going to look like this. And now think, what did we do here to go from give to add the ing? Did you pick out the right rule? Drop the E? Excellent. All right, our next one is pop to popped. Take a moment, think about it, try it, then we'll check it. All right, pop to popped. Here's the spelling of popped. And what rule did you use? You guessed correctly, the 1-1-1 rule. 2 left. We've got this, scholars. Try into tries. All right, here's the spelling of tries. Look at that root word. That Y is now an I. Did you say the Y to I rule? I bet you did. And one last one, shave to shaving. Here's the spelling of shaving. What rule did we use? Look at the root word. Look at the word shaving with that suffix added to it. Right on, drop the E. Nicely done, scholars. Whoop whoop for you. All right, continuing with those rules, let's try them with some adjectives. So, Mr. Long is mad, but if we were comparing two, right, we would say maybe Mr. Ritz is, madder than Mr. Long. And if we were comparing three or more, but Mrs. Store is the maddest of all three of the teachers. Now take a look, scholars. What did we do to get from mad to madder to maddest? Right, the 1-1-1 rule. All right, so see how we're doing this? We're adding and est. Right? When we're comparing two, est when we're comparing three or more. Let's try it on the next one. Press pause. Complete the chart for easy. All right, what did you say for comparing two? Easier and easiest. And what rule did you use? Go back to that root word. Y to I is correct. All right, trying the third one. Cute. All right, ready to check it? Cute, cuter, cutest. And what rule did we use? We dropped the E to add the and the est. Nice job. All right, wet. Ready to check wet? You bet. Wet, wetter, wettest. What rule did you use? Bing, bing, bing. The 1-1-1 rule is correct. Happy is our next one. All right, checking it out. Happy, happier, happiest. What rule did you use? Right, go back to that root word if you need to, right? Happy ends with a Y. But look what we did. Happier, happiest. The Y to I rule. Last one, mean. Mr. Long is mean. Ready to check it? Need a couple more moments? Mr. Long is meaner than Mr. Ritz. Mr. Long is the meanest of all the third grade teachers. Take a look at our root word mean. Now look at meaner, meanest. Did you notice? No change. We did not have to use a rule on that one. We could just add the and the est. Nice job, everyone. All right, continuing along, our next step, we're going to review that adjective song for a moment so we are really ready for a few adjective questions. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Adjectives, adjectives, colors and numbers, colors and numbers. They describe all nouns we find, tell whose, how many, or what kind, and keep three articles in your mind. They're a and the. All right, now a few questions. Keep that in mind, it will help you out. Here we go. First, what are the three adjective questions? We just did them in the song. Pause for a moment, write them down on your board or paper. All right, let's check. Whose, how many, what kind? And now, second question, what do adjectives describe or modify? Only one of them is named in the song. Do you remember? Nouns and pronouns. All right, let's put that into action. Take a look at these three sentences. What is the adjective in each sentence? Now, notice I already underlined the articles, right? Those special adjectives called articles. So we're not going to look for those right now. We're going to look for other adjectives than a, an, or the. Sentence one, the sweet children worked excitedly on the assignment. Can you find an adjective, a word that's describing a noun or a pronoun? Did you find it? Sweet. Sweet. Sweet describes children. What kind of children? Sweet children. Number two, the mysterious package will arrive tomorrow. Can you find the adjective? Look for a word describing a noun. Do you think you found it? Mysterious. Mysterious describes package. What kind of package? Mysterious package. All right, number three, an energetic group met here. Look for that adjective. Do you think you found it? Energetic is the right word. What kind of group? Energetic group. Well done. Then we also studied adverbs this year, and we're getting pretty good at this adverb chant. Ready? 2 times 3 to get the beat? And then let's do that adverb chant. Lee, 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 chant it out clearly. I use adverbs daily. Adverbs energize 3 types of words, verbs, adjectives, and more adverbs. They answer how, slowly, when, lately, where, there. To make my writing the best it can be, I use adverbs daily. All right, scholars, my next couple of questions are in this chant, so pause and keep looking at it if you need it. Otherwise, here come the questions. Dun, dun, dun! What are the 3 adverb questions? All right, are you ready? Did you jot them down? Let's check. If you need more time, pause. Here it comes. Oh boy. How, when, where? And my second question, what do adverbs describe or modify? Here we go. Get ready. Still writing? All right, I'll wait a moment. Raise your hand if you need more time. No one? Okay, here we go. Adverbs describe verbs adjectives, and other adverbs. Let's see if we can apply this knowledge of adverbs into some sentence work. Check out these three sentences. Can you find the adverb in each sentence? Number one, the sweet children worked excitedly on the assignment. Ready to check? Did you circle excitedly or write down excitedly? Good job. Number two, the mysterious package will arrive tomorrow. Look for the adverb. Did you find it? Tomorrow. So going back to number one for a moment, right? Worked how? Excitedly. Right? Number two, arrive when? Tomorrow. Number three, an energetic group met here. Met where? Here. Good work, scholars. You found the adverbs. All right. Let's practice a few diagrams to close out this lesson today. Here we are. My favorite bouncy ball deflated yesterday. Press pause for a moment. Diagram this sentence. All right, if you press play, you're ready to check your diagram. Right? Prudent students have practiced and tried it first and are ready to check it. Here we go. My favorite bouncy ball deflated yesterday. We're going to check it. What action? Deflated. Who or what deflated? Ball. That's our core. Ball deflated. What kind of ball? Bouncy. So bouncy is an adjective describing ball. Favorite is also an adjective describing ball. My is also working as an adjective describing ball. Whose ball? My ball. So my favorite bouncy ball deflated. We have one more word in this sentence. Yesterday. Deflated when? Yesterday. So yesterday is an adverb describing deflated. Let's try another one. Diagram this sentence. 16 stars twinkled quite brightly. Press pause while you're working. All right. Prudent students have paused and have diagrammed and are now ready to check. 16 stars twinkled quite brightly. What action is happening? Correct. Twinkled. Who or what twinkled? You got it. Stars. Then, scholars, how many stars? 16. Right? 16 is an adjective, right? How many is an adjective question. So 16 describes stars. Twinkled how? Brightly. Brightly describes twinkled. But scholars, how brightly? Quite brightly. Quite is an adverb describing an adverb. So notice how we have that arm, right, connecting it to the adverb, not to the verb. It's connecting to brightly, quite brightly. All right, diagram this sentence. A very cute bunny nibbled quietly. Pause while you're diagramming. All right, the next slide is going to check your work. Prudent students are pressing pause if they're still working. Last chance. Pause this recording. A very cute bunny nibbled quietly. What action? Nibbled. Who or what nibbled? Bunny. What kind of bunny? Yes, cute bunny. Cute describes the bunny, right? What kind is an adjective question. What kind of bunny? Cute bunny. But scholars, how cute? Very cute. Very is an adverb describing the adjective cute. So look right here. See how that arm is connecting it to the adjective cute, not to the bunny. If we connect it to bunny, we're saying it's a very bunny. It's a very cute bunny. Very is describing cute. Did you get the word quietly? Nibbled how? Quietly. Right? Quietly describes how the very cute bunny nibbled. Nibbled how? Quietly. How is an adverb question. Then we had one more word in this sentence. Did you remember the a? Right? That article. Remember, a and the are articles that are noun markers, meaning they mark that a noun is coming up in the sentence. So they get diagrammed under the noun that's coming up in the sentence after that article. Nice job, scholars. That ends our review work for today. There's not a photo that you need to take or a Google form to fill out. If you went through this video with me, all you have to do today is click Turn It In to show that you watched this video and practiced the review. Thanks for joining me.